Voting for the first phase of Jharkhand Assembly elections has started. 43 out of 81 seats are going to polls in 15 districts, and the fate of 683 candidates will be sealed by as many as 1.37 crore voters. Now, in 2019 Assembly elections, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha or the JMM-led alliance had won 47 out of the 81 seats. BJP that time had bagged 25 seats, and in fact, before I tell you more about this elections, let's listen in to the reaction of Jharkhand governor.
देश के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र में मतदान एक आवश्यक हिस्सा है और मैं आपके माध्यम से सभी इस प्रदेश के मतदाता भाई बहनों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हुए आग्रह करना चाहूंगा कि मत का प्रयोग अवश्य करें। और दुनिया में हमारा देश एक दिशा देने का काम करता है कि लोकतंत्रीय व्यवस्था में कैसे काम किया जाए। आजादी के बाद से लेकर अब तक जिस ढंग से लोकतंत्र हमारे देश में चल रहा है, ये दुनिया में एक मिसाल का कायम कर रहा है। मैं आपके माध्यम से सभी प्रदेश के मतदाता भाई बहनों को शुभकामनाएं देते हुए और विश्वास के साथ कि अधिकतम मतदान का प्रयोग करें। और आपने ध्यान किया होगा कि देश के हर हिस्से में, जैसे अभी बीते समय में जम्मू में जो चुनाव और कश्मीर में चुनाव हुआ, अच्छी संख्या में लोगों ने मतदान का किया। तो मैं आपके माध्यम से सभी प्रदेश के भाई बहनों को अपनी ओर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हुए कि इसको पर्व के रूप में माने और पहले मतदान करें, उसके बाद ही घर पर जाकर जलपान करें और अपने मत का एक सही ढंग से प्रयोग करें। आपके माध्यम से सभी मतदाता भाई बहनों को मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगा।
Well, you just heard the governor of Jharkhand urging the voters to come out and vote in huge numbers. Now, a message has also come from the Prime Minister for Jharkhand voters. He has said, "Pehle matdan, fir jalpan," and he has urged the voters to vote with full enthusiasm. In fact, this is the big message that has come from the Prime Minister. As he always says, "Pehle matdan, fir jalpan." First vote and then refreshments, then go to your respective jobs is the message that has come from the Prime Minister. Let me also take you through the tweet that he has made. He has said, झारखंड विधानसभा चुनाव में आज पहले दौर की वोटिंग है। सभी मतदाताओं से मेरा आग्रह है कि वो लोकतंत्र के इस उत्सव में पूरे उत्साह के साथ मतदान करें। इस मौके पे पहली बार वोट देने जा रहे अपने सभी युवा साथियों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। याद रखें, पहले मतदान फिर जलपान। So let me, in fact, go across to my colleague Teshri, who joins us live on the broadcast from ground. In fact, she's in Jharkhand. Teshri, this time the fight is between the India bloc and the NDA. Take us through how tough the fight is from where you're reporting.
Certainly, yes, the fight is going to be tough, and in fact, the constituency from where I'm reporting is Ranchi Hatia, and in fact, in this constituency, let me tell you, it's JMM's Mahua Maji, who we just heard a while back, and it's again from BJP, it's CP Singh. So yes, let me tell you, CP Singh is a strong contender, a very senior member, senior leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, and Mahua Maji was a Rajya Sabha member from JMM, and then now she is contesting from Ranchi. So we'll have to see that what happens in this particular constituency. Apart from that, there are other key constituencies also as far as Jharkhand's first phase is concerned, because we have been seeing that after the arrest of the current Chief Minister Hemant Soren in the alleged money laundering case, there were a lot of ups and downs in the politics of the Jharkhand, and in fact then we saw that Champai Soren was sworn in as the Chief Minister, then he joined the BJP, then again Hemant Soren became the Chief Minister. So we'll have to see that how large this politics role plays in the state of Jharkhand. And apart from that, this is the governor who just casted his vote. Sir, what message would you like to give to the people of Jharkhand?
I'm asking them, please positively vote and make a good government.
Okay. And sir, what would you like to say to especially women and the tribal voters?
No, I think so that women are more active in this respect, and we will positively women will vote more and more.
Prime Minister has said that pehle jalpan, pehle matdan, fir jalpan.
It's a right issue. I'm going for refreshment.
All right, thank you so much. So that's the governor in an exclusive conversation with Times Network. In fact, also, he casted his vote here just at the polling booth from where we are reporting right now. And post that, there are other leaders also who will be casting their vote. Hemant Soren, Kalpana Soren, MS Dhoni. These are all the, in fact, the voters who will be casting their vote at this polling booth. So yes, all eyes on the first phase of Jharkhand, the 43 seats that are going to witness the polls today. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. This is a high-octane battle in Jharkhand. Teshri bringing us those details from ground. Speaking to the governor, in fact, he has urged the voters to come out in huge number. But let us